Perangsen Gallo. Jawa Ishinubu Kutse Tilo Temba Show. Pergilana Mebeuti Chino Consejamki Chumuchoki Kuba Tonda Mbuchelia Kuja on the Pibetone. Teride Pergishunul Hensoki Leguna Ya Pebe Pemma Chitu Lesu number re Pergishunul Hensoki Chijab Sozo Tagana Shinki Sane Shunu Sozo Zebe Gula number ta and Habato Delia New York Zebeki Kanje Ari Chokta Mangochinia Pebe Sharachibe Puripinda Samalolia Soso Ngene Ning Tawane Tujiches Chishui Ta derin delia langche geje shebe kablia soso ngene pe mimalia tamsan chinju jies che nyasa shue yin tamsan di khares labina teri shoge nyamde jezo gi khangba ringbudi namba to changme gi si ore nyamde jezo gi khangba tada kharsugore legung toza sumju soji galya tara shoge Geje bao loga ranze la ki kumche ni da nganzu sumche nyamde jezo ki doami topdan desen ki ne mina nyamdol ya tara shoga chudu chik samchi nganzu bagel ya jete shubi yin di indu kal ya teri dingche dene ma kaglo che pe mimal ya susu ngene bobo chimbingani ya shue chi kariyos labi na geje bao loga ranze la ki pe jegab to pe miri pe ranze ki chetul ya So such kuso le tanche. Nyande jesoki dune. Better drop di. Nyande jesoki leguna ya teringa zungene. Inga nigi ton ya keyes cheche. Keshu chimbingani ya seda shuguyu. Dindukali ya teringa zuki legu di. Tanda patolia. Ngazu terinde nga michi da kona bani ngazu sumki cheche che shabaji kanya mare. Teri nyamde jeso nyamdol ya jete chungye di zo di ngaran tsu konse temge chumbu chagi tuje chilap tang yangge su geje bao loga ranze tsebe peki bao bamu tseki lap chinki kusol le tangche eni nyamde jeso ya teri ngazu charya ki kogab chungwa chilya susu ngene ngunzi shugu yos cheche shuya di yin di dikali ya nyamde jeso nanglo ya teri ngazu lebe kabli ya zo di kumche kong namba nyi ki ngene Bernal ya Zataki Netan Yoba Diget Tolia, Yamde Jason winning Yabarto. Tachik Tandakotuchi, Kazutuchi Nangi Yorde, Imbine, Kaya Lahiki, Pedetolia, Une Rachik, Shuk Teveki, Yamde Jasoki Ngene, Chekutus Cheche, Telecon Nabaniki, Shuchim with Sunason, Susung and Dilia, Shujuchon. Dindigalia, Yamde Jason Ngene, Tering, Antolia Sheshe Nayadi, and Tandaba to Kurantuki Tapshi Shubi, Tanda Imbine, Kurantunia. Pernanki Zaraki Netan, Hakbatu Kuli Mese Jelia, Netan Karikari Chaki Yoba Digetilia, Yamde Jazong and Shipta, Kunzung and the Tokship Chata Cheshi by Inseche, Kanason. Dindukalia, Natung Teri, Chude Chik Mensi, Yamde Jazogi, Leguna, Yachincha, Tosa Sumju Sojikan, Yamde Jazogi, Domi Topan de Zenki, Legun Yore, Dindina Yachincha, Zungene, Pemisaya Tuki. Pemisaya Tuki, Kangeta, Pemisaya Tuki, Dedudi. Tering of the Yachinche, Don the Don Tuche, Ingani Gitone, Yamde Jazolia, Nyasan Shusha, that tering of the Legu de Chigre. Tang of the Legu Terin Chik Chains, Jang to death on in your mare. That the number to Delia Sanem, which you in the Penasha, how Lebek Yagure, want to Pevajim Bechania, Pergi Zadentolia, Perg Jacob, Pemiriki, Tapsolia, Yamshu Nambadi, Matung and Sijire, Matung and Ginticha de Gure, Ding about the Marasung and Genki Gure. Dindukalia Tungene Mutine, Yamde Jazore, Taganashiki Geji Sishukande, Hakbatu Delia Jana Shumtop, Jana Shunki Gozo Shi Jinping Sebeki, Jana Shunki Godisolia, Peg Jakata Perans and Larsomatu Padulia, Tungene, Namian Gurgi message, Tungene Talesebo, Tandapatu Tande or La, Tatuim Benedile Nale, Hache, Tungene, Shukja Talentan Gudus Cheche, Sevushu Chikti. That the Nedi Jeliat and the Kitching and Manguchi or the Dindukalia Susung and Tuzushira Shume Naransu, Pebaji in Bechania Natung in a Rangsen such a Labekabia, Rangsen in Namnasa Yomare, Rangsen the Sanikia Yomare, Rangsen Lidonche Gugiore, Dosontan Gugiore, geje pa loga ranche lagi nganchu miki dulia le tan chimbu dile jitam badi nganchu ngene namya jaya yo mare hakpa tu penal yebe pa pa mu chigi le tan tiya nganchu ngene namya jaya yo mare se je jik shua yin di shube to ne tang nganchu ngene tanda padulia ngaranchu pepe chiso dang lo ya hal lebe ki legu cha chubu ya go yung du mutini eni legu di cha chubu naro che che susung ngene ya bugu shugu la eni jana shunglia tingche di ju ne jana shunglia talen se bu te di ngaranchu zambulin dinali ya pemi kang chile malabi ne ngaju ngene pepe ki tapso di namya ngaju ki jukdi ki mare pepe ki denda mase padolia yaorum buche podam podala ya denda shuma du padolia ngaju ngene pepe ki tapso di mutini junjong chigre se che jana shunglia tere talen se bu tangyo.
On behalf of the 19th Regional Tibetan Women's Association of New York and New Jersey, close your eyes and imagine the weight our martyr Paolo Garangze carried. Before he made his decision, imagine watching everything precious to us, people, slip further away, our language, our homeland, our right to simply exist as who we are, and realizing that letters and protests were no longer enough. He gave the only thing that remained entirely his life. He became a flame so the world would have to look even for one unbearable moment of what is happening in Tibet. That is not madness, that is love. So absolute that consumed him. And the New York Post looked at that sacrifice and called him a lunatic. Some have said to us, well, at least they took the headline down. I ask you, does removing a word undo the wound of having printed it? Does silence offered quietly without apology heal the grief of Tibetans and our supporters across the world? It does not. Until the New York Post stands publicly and says the words, "We were wrong. This is not over." We wrote to them, we called them, we were met with silence every single time. So now we have to stand outside their building ourselves every morning 9:30 to noon, and we will not be the only one carrying this. This grief belongs to every Tibetan breathing today, and to every person anywhere who believes to man who gave his life for his people deserve to be honored, not mocked. So before you go to sleep tonight, I want you to ask yourself something. Does that word lunatic belong to him alone? Sit with it. He is our hero. And when they called him a lunatic, they were not speaking of one man. They were speaking of every one of us. His sacrifice belongs to all of us. His name carries all of our names with it. That insult was not his carry to alone. It is yours, it is mine, and it is every Tibetan's. So hear me clearly, we are not defeated. And we will not rest until we hear a public apology spoken out loud before another wound is opened. If we, his own people, do not fight for his name, who will? So join us outside the New York Post building every morning 9:30 to noon. Bring your flag, bring your families, bring anyone who will listen, and bring your grief and let it be your voice, because he did not stay silent for Tibet, and neither will we. Following the protests, we'll be heading to New York Post building, and where we will continue the protest over there until 7 p.m. Thank you. Pegalo! 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 Paolo Garangze Galo! Paolo Garangze Galo! Paolo Garangze Galo! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Ani, Teringi Soja, Nomad Spirit, I think Nomad Spirit, right? On the Taste of Himalayan Risha, and thank you.